Hey fellow gamers, get ready for an epic adventure as we dive into the extraordinary world of the Asus ROG Ally, a new gaming handheld released recently. This device is packed with power and features, and it's sure to be a hit with gamers everywhere. In this video, we'll unveil the incredible features, jaw-dropping specifications, and why this little beast should be your ultimate gaming companion. So buckle up and let's embark on this gaming journey together. Features and performance. The ROG Ally is powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market. It also has a 7-inch 120Hz FHD IPS touchscreen display, 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 GB of NVMe M.2 SSD storage. This combination of hardware makes the ROG Ally capable of running even the most demanding games. There will be an AMD Ryzen Z1 variant in the later part of 2023. This will have 6 cores and 12 processing threads. Both Ally models will support AMD Fidelity X Super Resolution and AMD Radeon Super Resolution technologies, which means exceptional performance and superb visuals as you play your games. The Ally also has a UHS 2 microSD card slot for expanded storage capacity. The Ally will also support Wi-Fi 6E, meaning your Ally will have a great connection whether you have multiple players or whether you are streaming the game via AMD Link or Xbox Cloud Gaming. The ROG Ally takes the concept of handheld gaming to a whole new level. Given the 1080p screen and hardware capable of 60 FPS, the ROG Ally provides a wonderful experience that will excite many gamers. This contrasted with a 720p resolution of rival devices, the Ally with its FHD touchscreen and AMD FreeSync premium technology will give you much more superior image and motion clarity. Cost? So what is the cost of all this versatility? Pre-orders for the Ryzen Z. One Extreme model with 512 GB storage start, May 11th, 2023 for $699. It should be available to order from Best Buy on June 13th. You could also check for details on the Asus website. The ROG Ally model with a Ryzen Z1 processor, 512 GB storage will be available later 2023 for $599. Play all your games. The ROG Ally was wholly designed with Microsoft Windows in mind. You play all your games from any platform. To get the very best possible gaming experience, ROG Ally has teamed up with Microsoft, studios, and gaming publishers, so you have an excellent feel and gadget all round. The Ally will run on Windows 11 Home as the operating system. Are you ready to level up your gaming experience? Then look no further than the Asus ROG Ally, your ultimate gaming handheld. With its jaw-dropping design, mind-blowing performance, and a treasure trove of gaming features, it's the perfect companion for all your gaming adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.